Hello my friend, this is Aziz Issa coming to you from aeducational.com, and I'm making this video in my home office in Edmonton, Canada. You are watching this video, this is because you want to learn more about the HBA affiliate program, so stay tuned. Okay guys, first of all, let's start with an opening quote. So Robert K. once said, if you lose your job or business income, your assets will feed you and your liabilities will eat you. So guys, let's build our assets as much as we can. So, and let's quickly start with continue with the HBA affiliate program. So basically you have two big plan here. So the funnel builder and the premium program. So the funnel builder costs $25 per month, and the premium program, which is powerful traffic and conversion, costs $125 per month. So if you promote all of these, you get 80% of commission, which is $120. So basically, if you earn only the $25 funnel builder, if you promote it, 80% of that is $20, right? So everything that you own here is 80% of commission. So this is only if you have one sign up. So if you have 5 sign up, this is how much you will get as combo, $600. So 10 sign up, you will get $1,200, and in monthly residual income. So that's what make the HBA affiliate program very appealing and powerful. So let's quickly see the HBA platform here. So we have already seen the HBA funnel builder. So basically it has its own academy here. From here you can access the funnel builder tool, right? So the funnel builder come with training, you see, and how to use the funnel, how to integrate with your type of autoresponder, and all this. It's some training, right? So exit, pop-up, code, privacy policy, upsell, downsell, selling, membership. So a lot of things that you can do with the funnel builder, even appointment and booking widget, Zapier integration, so you name it. So you can do a lot of things. So what's important here also, it's the live coaching. So the live coaching, and which is also important because we need to learn from people who already they are advanced in using the funnel builder to get leads and sales. Okay, and then we have the HBA traffic and conversion. This is HBA premium, which is everything about traffic, free traffic, paid traffic, sell and conversion. Because even if you have traffic, you need to learn how basically to convert this traffic into a paying customer. So this is a very, very big and important pain point here that the HBA is solving here by teaching by teaching me, right? How to convert your traffic into a paying customer. So, and then yeah, of course we have the part that I like the most, is support. You have the coaching calls. You have the Monday night, every Monday at 8 p.m. The traffic and conversion is every day at 11 a.m. the daily grow rich goals and 9 a.m. So traffic and conversion is traffic and conversion is everyday, guys. So we talk about traffic. You know, what's working, you know, and yeah, so it's important. And you can also join the Telegram group here, which is the instant message, right? So if you have a question, you just shoot it in the HBA Telegram group, and somebody will answer quickly. And you have some bonus training here, right? So, and then some done for you funnel. So the escape plan book, by the way, there is a link in a description, guys. You can grab the escape plan book. You know, it's 30 minutes work daily that you can use, you can do, right? You can do and get results in your affiliate marketing business. So you can grab the link in the description. Okay, so, and you have the financial literacy here, for, you know, so if you own the financial literacy, so you will get also commission. So it's important to get commission, but we need to learn how, you know, to take care of our earnings, right? So it's very important here. So something that I would like to highlight very quickly, right? So you only get commission on the type of product that you own, right? So let me quickly take an example here. Let's say I only own the funnel builder here, right? So if I have a sign up, that's great. I will get $20 commission, right? But if my sign up upgrade to the premium, then later you upgrade to the financial literacy, and then if I don't own those, I don't have the commission on those, right? So, and what is actually nice, the HBA team will send you an email, right? Saying that your sign up upgrade to the premium program, right? So it's a good thing if you can make things right, so that you will grab the recurring commission here. So, and let's go for the affiliate zone. So the affiliate zone. So by the way, guys, even if you don't want to promote the HBA program, you can use you know, this training to promote your own affiliate product, right? Your own business, right? It's also work, right? So, and then for that's where everybody start here in the affiliate zone. Yeah, no matter how you come into the program, right? Either the funnel builder or the traffic and conversion, you know, or here we all start, you know, with the affiliate zone, which is important here. So, you know, so and the SG4G freedom formula, that's the key of success in affiliate marketing. It's also known as the 4 core area of focus in some programs. So the SG basically is a system, right? So this is a system. You know, you need to go back to you know, basically they do their best to answer most of the question here. So if you have question, you go back to the system will teach you everything you need to know. And then for the group, we have the Facebook groups and then the Telegram, right? You can shoot your question there also. And the coaching calls, right? That's where you can answer your questions live, you know, live in those coaching calls here. And the 4G part, yeah, you need to grow, right? So grow means you know, you need to learn, you need to learn in order to grow, right? And get leads, you know, etc. So yeah, you can basically once you are in and go through all of this, it's very good. Okay, guys, yeah, I hope you have seen everything. And by the way, there is the book, the 30-minute escape plan that I was talking about earlier. You can grab it in the description. So on that note, let me turn the camera back.
Okay, my friend, let me share with you a closing quote. Eric Thomas once said, "Knowledge is not power. Applying knowledge is power." So I hope, guys, you will take action after this video, and I will say see you on the next video.